walk around the
that way.
table. Walk that way. Yep, follow the girls. Walk around the table. When the music stops, then you stop, okay? So Brendan's gonna stop the
Keep
music.
going. Keep going. Keep going. Nope, keep walking. Yep, that's yours. Keep walking. You gotta keep walking.
Go, go, go.
Keep walking. Oh, stop.
Okay, the music stops. So everyone put your hand on a number.
Put your hand right there.
Okay, now I'm gonna pick numbers. Let's see who's a winner. Oh, no one's on 6. 5. Oh, nobody's on 5.
Nope, stay on 1, stay on 1.
Stay here.
It's hard to wait, isn't it? 1! Woohoo! You won!
Guess what you won?
You get to pick one of the goodies from the table.
Here's the tickets.
You want the cupcakes?
Or the Easter basket.
Or there's M&M cookies.
Or M&M cookies.
You get the
take
whole
that.
thing. You get the whole basket if you want.
Or there's cakes. Which one you want?
Pink cupcakes.
Really?
They match your sweater.
You want the cupcakes and not the goodie basket? It even has a jump rope. It has a jump rope.
It's amazing what they pick sometimes.
All right.
We can make cupcakes, kiddo. It has M&Ms and bubbles.
Oh, the bubbles did it, Mom. Okay, you want the basket? This is your basket, honey, if you want it.
Wow.
It's either that or
All
cupcakes.
those goodies.
Is that what you want, or do you want the cupcakes?
I'll take both, Mom.
I know.